This is what it looks like, my friends. It turned out delicious. Turned out amazingly well. It's got a little bit of color from that white truffle sauce, white truffle hot sauce. It's got a little bit of color, but it looks amazing. Hi everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Just got back home from work. I'm starving and I feel like some fettuccine alfredo. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make some fettuccine alfredo. We're going to use the cheapest sauce that I can find, and we're going to make the best fettuccine alfredo in history of fettuccine alfredo. Let's go. Now, to make this video really fun, I have a secret ingredient that we're going to add to this dish, and it's a white truffle hot sauce. We're going to put this into the sauce. We're going to add it to the sauce. It's going to make the sauce delicious. It's white truffle truff hot sauce. It's delicious. If you never had truff hot sauce, look up my video on truff hot sauces. I review all three of them, the white truffle, black truffle, and the super hot sauce. They're all three are delicious. Decide which one you want to order or get all three. All three of them are great. So that's going to be my secret ingredient in this dish. So for this cook, we're going to use a nice piece of organic chicken breast that we got as sprouts. You're going to dice that up, slice that up, salt and pepper it, okay? We got the fettuccine, the star of the dish, KERRYGOLD garlic and herb butter, pecorino romano, and then we got the cheapest Alfredo sauce. We got the chicken diced up, salt peppered. Just gonna mix it a little bit. Just get all those slices mixed in there. Now we're gonna go with some oil to the frying pan. We're gonna cook the pasta and we're gonna cook the chicken at the same time. So it's gonna be done at the same time. That way we can put the dish together all at the same time. It's gonna be beautiful. While I'm doing all this, I'm gonna grate my pecorino romano cheese. Get that ready. Chicken's doing really well. It looks delicious. We got freshly grated pecorino romano cheese ready to go. Okay, we got the water boiling. Make sure it's boiling. Do not add pasta before your water boils, and only salt it once you got the water boiling. Do not salt the water before it's boiling. Okay, so do not salt it, and do not add the pasta to your water before it's boiling. So we're salted. Now you're going to add the pasta. And we got the fettuccine cooking. My chicken's done. Everything looks delicious and ready to go. So my pasta's done. So what you're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and drain it. Beautiful. So now we're ready to go. We're ready to assemble the dish. There's nothing holding us back now. So first things first, the cheap Alfredo sauce. Cheap Alfredo sauce is going to go in first. Next, we got the garlic and herb butter and the chicken. Mix that up. Real nice. It's looking good already. Now you're going to add the cheese. Pasta. Now you're going to add a few drops of the white truffle sauce. White truffle hot sauce. Okay. Add a few drops of white truffle hot sauce. Mix that all in. And I can't wait to try it. All right, everybody, let's dig into it. Let's start to try a piece of chicken first. It's really good. Try the fettuccine. Right away, I taste a hint of white truffle hot sauce. It's not spicy at all, because the sauce itself is not that spicy. The white truffle hot sauce, it's very mild, but I taste the truffle. It's amazing. You have to try this. If you never added truffle sauce to your Fettuccine Alfredo, do it now, because it's amazing. Oh wow, there's just a little heat. It's creamy, it's delicious. Not a piece of chicken. It's really good. This is delicious. This is the best Fettuccine Alfredo I ever had. Made with the cheapest sauce. Remember that, the base sauce was the cheapest Alfredo sauce you can buy. So if you wanna jazz it up like this, go ahead and do it. You'll enjoy it, trust me. It's delicious. Anyway, that's all I have for you in this video. It's gonna be a quick lunch. I'm starving. I've been working all night. As always, thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.